Hi, this is Joe from PowerOfAttorneyForm.com, and today we're going to talk to you about the four main South Carolina power of attorney forms. Now, if you don't know what power of attorney is, it's very simple. It's just a legal form that allows you to select anyone that you want to perform either financial or medical decision making on your behalf. So let's get started. All the way on the left side of the screen, we have the South Carolina Durable Power of Attorney form. Now this allows you to select anyone that you want to act on your behalf for all financial powers legal in the state of South Carolina, which means that you can select anyone to do your banking transactions for you, pay your bills, collect mail for you, handle your assets, anything that's financially related. But what makes this form the most popular in the United States is that it's the only form that remains valid if you should become incapacitated or no longer able to make decisions with a clear mind. So this is really popular among all the baby boomers because they're approaching the age where they're encountering things like dementia, Alzheimer's, all these mind-altering conditions where just paying their bills can sometimes be a big task for them. But the good thing is about this form is that it stays valid through all that. You just want to make sure that you select someone that you trust. Now going to the right, we have the medical power of attorney form. Now this is exactly how it sounds. It allows you to select somebody to handle all your healthcare decisions, medical treatments decisions, your medical facility decisions, so that if something should happen to you, say you're going into a risky surgery, or you're, like what we talked about before, you fear that dementia or Alzheimer's may be on the way, this is a great form for you to select somebody. And most oftentimes what we see on our website is that people will download the medical and the durable so that they're covered on each end. Now going to the right, we have the South Carolina General Power of Attorney form. Now this form is just like the durable. It's exactly like it, except for the fact that this form becomes void if you should become not able to think for yourself. So we often see a lot of people use this form where if they have someone paying all their bills for them, that's not necessarily someone that they trust. It's like an accountant or an attorney, but yet they don't want them to have financial power over them if they should become incapacitated. So this form is great because it becomes void if you lose your clear thinking. And then we have all the way to the right, the South Carolina Limited Power of Attorney form. Now this form allows you to choose someone to handle very specific financial matters. I know I use this form every year for my accountant so that I can have him handle just my taxes, but I don't necessarily want my accountant to be handling my banking and everything else. But it doesn't have to just be for taxes. If you want someone to just pick up your mail for you or just pay bills for you, whatever it may be. But just remember, just like the general, this becomes void if you should lose your thinking. So those are the four South Carolina Power of Attorney forms, and you want to make sure that you get these forms notarized in order to be legal. And if you don't know what a notary is, just go to your branch bank where you live, and they always have a notary that is on staff. So that's it. These are the South Carolina Power of Attorney forms.